Now we are going to talk about resistance of a system of resistor. Resistance of a system of resistor. Here we are seeing two circuits. This is resistors are in serial connection, put in serial connection. Resistors in series. Here resistors are in parallel connection. Resistors serial, resistors are in parallel connection. Okay, now you watch. Resistors are in series. In series. This is resistor. This is resistor. This is resistor. This is voltmeter, micro voltmeter. Voltmeter. Okay, anyways, voltmeter. Voltmeter. So device which will help us to measure the voltage. That means the potential difference, PD. Okay. This is ammeter. Ammeter is it will measure the ampere in micro level. This is microammeter. This is ammeter. Ammeter. See, this is ammeter. Measures in micro level. This is switch. This is switch. This is battery. Plus terminal, minus terminal. This is bulb. This is bulb. Now we are going to construct the resistors or in series. Now you look at your one circuit. This is one circuit. This is one circuit. This is one circuit. What I have connected here? Battery, ammeter, and bulb and switch. Okay. Now I remove this one and connect this. Now you watch. The plus terminal of the battery is going to the switch. Let me draw the diagram, circuit diagram for this one. It's battery. Plus terminal of the battery, minus terminal of the battery. Plus terminal of the battery is going to the key, the switch, then bulb. We connect the negative terminal of the battery. Okay. Now I switch on the switch. Now when I switch on the switch, this terminal will be get connected with this. So what will happen? Current will flow through this wire and then will pass through this wire and it will pass through this bulb and it will come to reach the negative terminal of the battery. Now I switch on the switch. Look, bulb is glowing. When I switch off, bulb will not glow. Now I remove the switch. What will happen? Now I remove the switch and put the connection in. Put a direct connection. The bulb will be glowing. Always will glow. It will always. We cannot switch off the bulb. So that we need what? A switch. We need a switch. Okay. Right. What is the function of switch? If you switch off, this will be get open. This connection will be disconnected. If I switch on, this will. If I put the switch on state, what will happen? This terminal will be get connected with this terminal. So what will happen? Current will flow through this switch and then through this bulb and reach the negative terminal. Now I switch off. See, the circuit is get broken. So no current will flow. Current will go to this point and it will not reach. It will not flow through the circuit. So I think you would have understood the purpose of the switch. Okay, the bulb is now the bulb glows brightly. See, now I connect this circuit. So look at here. Now I'm going to connect this circuit. Here we do not have any resistor. Now I am going to use resistor. Shall we make a connection for this one? Okay. Then this will go to other term. Then this term will go to the resistor. Other end of the resistor will reach the battery. Understand? Okay. Okay. This battery, this is the plus terminal, this is minus terminal. Now the switch is in on state. The switch is in the on state, off state. No, we don't find any current here. Okay, why? We have put resistor here. So all the electrons have been blocked by this one. No, very less current is, see, look, how much current is flowing in this circuit? Only, see, look here. It's very less current is flowing. So the bulb will not glow. Bulb will not glow. Bulb will not glow. See, 8 point, now the voltage across the resistor is 8.96 volt. The current is only 13 milliampere. Is not enough to make the bulb to glow. Make the bulb to glow. What should we do? We should reduce the resistor, the value of the resistor, or otherwise we should connect the more battery, or we should increase the value of the battery. Now you see, let me increase the value. Now the resistor resists all the current, so it's not glowing. Now you see, I will bypass this connection. Let me connect this terminal with this terminal, with this. See, now bulb is glowing. So what happens now? The current is going through the switch and through this bulb, and is not going to this circuit, through the resistor, and it bypasses the resistor and reach the negative terminal of the battery. So it is glowing. The resistor is resisting. See, now I delete the bulb is dead. It's not glowing. Bulb is not glowing. Understand? The resistor. Now I am going to construct the resistors in series. Look. Now I have taken 3 resistors here. I have taken 3 resistors. 1, 2, 3, and 3. This is the first terminal, the second terminal of the. This is the first terminal, this is the second terminal. This is the first terminal, this is the second terminal. This is the resistor 1, this is resistor 2, this is the resistor 3. Now I have connected these resistors are in series. How it makes in series? How? See now, the blue end is 1. This light brown end is 2. Number 2. This is 1 and first end. This is second end. First end, second end. What I have done, the second end of the first resistor is connected with the first end of the resistor. See, a resistor doesn't have any polarity, but to make sense, I am using this number. I have using number 1 and 2. Okay. Then the second end of the resistor is connected with the first end of the third resistor. Then the second of the end of the third resistor is left free. The first end of the first resistor is left free. This is a serial connection. Still now it doesn't make any sense. Let me explain now. Later. See what I have done. This is the first end, this is second end of the resistor 1. This is the first end, the second end of the resistor 2. This is first end and the second end of the resistor 3. What I have done, I have connected all the first end of all resistors, resistor 1, resistor 2, resistor 3. All the first ends are connected together. All the second ends of all the resistor are connected together. Still now it doesn't make any sense. You look at this next circuit, it will make some sense. Okay, look here. Yes, this is the one. This is the one. Okay, look here. I have put 3 resistors here. Now I am going to connect in serial. What does it mean serial? Okay, now I connect this one. Connected. Connect this one. Now this is connected with this set. This switch is connected with this one. Now I'm connected this. Okay. Then this is called the serial connection. This is called serial connection. See, this is in your book. I have um, I have constructed this connection by using this, in this picture. I connected mere connection. This serial connection, what does it mean? Now you listen. See, this is the plus terminal of the battery, this is the minus terminal of the battery. See, plus is going through this switch and going through this bulb and going through this one. This is plus one. The plus is going through the switch and through this bulb and this one. The resistor 3, the resistor 2, this is resistor 1. This is 1. Now the plus is coming through this resistor and through this resistor and through this resistor and coming reaching this negative terminal of the battery. Let me speak in another way. See, now the plus is connected here, the minus is connected here. Minus terminal of the battery is connected to the first end of the first resistor, first end of the second resistor, second end of the second resistor, first end of the third resistor, second end of the third resistor. Now I have connected the negative terminal of the battery with the first end of the resistor 1, and the plus is going to the third resistor and to the second end of the resistor. See, the minus is connected here, plus is connected here, plus is not connected directly with this point or with this point or with this point or with this point. So plus is connected directly here. In other ways, we can do like that. Now I remove this connection. And make it here. This is also serial connection. See, plus is going here, minus is going to this point, right? So plus is going to this point, minus end of the battery is going to this point. This is called serial connection. Okay, now let me show about the parallel connection. This is parallel connection. Look at here. See, why I am calling it as parallel connection? I have already told you, no? These are the first ends. The blue end is the first end for the sake of understanding. First end. This is resistor 1. This is resistor 2. Resistor 3. Resistor 4. Resistor 5. This is the second end. This is the second end. Now I have connected all the first ends together, all the second end together. How it makes sense? See, now the plus terminal is coming here and connected with this one. Not only this one, this plus terminal directly going to here, going to here, going to there, going to there, going to here. So plus end is directly going to the second end of all the resistors. Understand? Yes, this will make sense. Now the minus end is going through this bulb and through this connection, through this and to the bulb and to this kind. Minus end is here. See, now minus end is going directly going to the first resistor, directly going to the second resistor, directly going to the third resistor, directly going to the fourth resistor, and directly going to the fifth resistor. So plus is connected with every end of the second terminal of all resistor. Minus is connected with all the terminal of the first resistor. It is called serial parallel connection. Parallel. The current is the voltage is directly going through this one. Directly going through this is called parallel connection. This is called parallel connection. You understand? Okay.